Hello, my lovely fans. Welcome back to Stainless on TV. My old subscribers, welcome back. I love you so much. If you're a first timer here, I love you so much. Welcome to Stainless on TV. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to carve your eyebrows. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back, buddies. Welcome back to Stainless on TV. Okay, now I have my razor blade, my new razor blade out, and my brush. I brush my eyebrows too closely. Now it's time to carve. Like I said earlier, today's tutorial is how to carve your eyebrows, and give it that nice and sweet shape that you want. Depends if you want an angle shape, or you want straight or bold or tiny eyebrows. But today I'm going to be carving my tiny because tiny fits me. Everyone are not the same, so what fits me might not fit you. So today I'm going to be going on tiny eyebrow shape. So I've started by carving out the edges from the downside gradually. So guys, I need to tell you this about carving your eyebrows. In carving out your eyebrows, you need to be very careful, extremely careful, because you're making use of a sharp razor blade on your face, and you know the face is always soft. It has a very soft texture. So you have to be very careful, concentrate while carving your eyebrows. Your razor blade should be a new one or sharp one, and you use your brush so that whenever you carve, you brush it up and see the edges. If the edges are okay, the length of your hairs coming out. If you like it that way, that is the use of that little brush out your eyebrows hair, so you know the length it is. While carving, make sure you make use of your brush. When you carve small, you use your brush to brush it out and see what you have. So in carving my eyebrows, I'm very careful, and I watch closely to my mirror to ensure I don't make a mistake in carving what I will regret after carving. One funny thing about this was I didn't learn it, but I used my face to practice. So I believe that when they say practice makes perfect, that's true, because I could remember the first day I carved my eyebrows. Oh my gosh, I looked like a masquerade. Man, I looked like a masquerade. It was very annoying, but I kept on carving. But the one thing with me is that I am very fast in learning. So if I want to learn how to carve my eyebrows, I can easily go to YouTube, I watch someone's tutorial, and I practice with my face. Maybe the first day it will look somehow not good, but the next time I bet you I'm going to get it good, super good. So this tutorial is for learners. It's for people who don't know how to carve their eyebrows. You always say, "Oh, my friend, come and carve for me. Come, 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 come." So save your 200 or 100 naira that you use in carving outside. Carve it yourself and save your money from something else. That is why I make this tutorial. So I am cool. I am just being patient and slowly carving, so you could watch closely and do yours. Then in this my eyebrows, I'm getting it to shape I want, but it's still bold though. But I'll have to go over to the next one. Okay, now you check the first one and the second one. They are not the same. So I have to work on this. I'll be right back. So guys, welcome back. Welcome back from the little break. I went to take water. So we continue the same way we did the first one. Gradually, this is the left side of your eyebrows, and most times it's very difficult. Doing something left is difficult. So, but you have to manage and be careful the way you carve it. Just be careful. Be careful. take it up. Carved edges. Yes, you check when carving also you check the other side you've carved already if it's rhyming the same shape. So I see this place is tinier than the first one I did. So I have to touch the other side again to make it have that tiny edge. So oh, I think I'm having what I need. Okay. No, this place I need to touch it anymore. I need to touch it small. Good. Cutting off the edges. Okay. So my lovelies, I hope this tutorial was helpful. So if it's helpful, give me a thumbs up and press the notification bell. And also don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Love you. Bye. 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 Bye.